Danny here from Scott Country International at the HikMicro Dealer Launch Event up in sunny Derbyshire. Essentially the only thing I can show you today is the recently released on the 10th of October HikMicro CQ50L, which is the LRF. For the keen eyes, it's the same as the Falcon in the sensor, in the 50mm lens, but essentially what we have got here is the LRF. And essentially it's a magnesium body with the rubber grips. Feels really good quality. In the buttonology, again across the top, well thought through. And what's really significant is the new Zoom Pro software that we've got installed, which allows you to technically zoom in on your quarry without getting pixelated imagery, and giving you a far better image and ability to identify things at range when you zoom in on thermal. So these are obviously available from Scott Country International, and for further videos and updates, please like, share and subscribe and hit the notifications bell, and we'll keep you posted. Stay tuned for what else is coming. This is Danny from Scott Country International, out.